So guys, I'm Marion, hi and welcome to my channel. Currency pairs are the instrument that people who study financial markets usually encounter for the very first time. This is so because we all see currency rates in exchange stores since childhood, and it's easier for us to understand these financial assets. However, it's not too simple. Like currency pair quotes play an important role in the global economy. They influence exports, imports, GDP, and the development of individual countries. Like for traders, currency pairs are like key tools for stock trading. In this video, we will consider this like big topic that it's very important in trading. And you see, today I have these currency pairs. They are all with a big percentage of payout. And as you see, almost everything with 90% of payout. And with this mission, this combination of indicators will help me to make big money, of course. Moving average with default settings. I just changed the color and widened it a little bit just for you, and MACD with also default settings. So we see the whole situation in our graphic, and let's get started. I think so. After this doji candlestick, the situation changed a little bit, and yeah, as you see, MACD is pointing to us also is intersection. And right now the lines are going not straight forward, they are going down a little bit, but there is no intersection. That's because, let me see a little bit more, and yep, I think let me change my investment box to $20. I think will be good enough for fresh start, and let's check it out with reds. I'm in a profit. You saw that after this red doji candle, the situation changed again, and the candlesticks are going down right now. That's because it was a good signal for me, and I made a good decision to make it with a put option. So I'm really glad that today's session started with a good profit. I have nice feeling that everything will work good today. So, okay, yeah. So let's go to another currency pair, and let's zoom out, of course. Yeah, let's just check. I suppose you see a chart of currency pair. The chart is directed upwards, as you can see. So, how can you understand which currency is getting more expensive and which currency is getting cheaper? Okay, like imagine a scale. Take the currency from the left side and put it on the left scale, for example, USD. Imagine that the scales are titled so that they repeat the dynamics on the chart from left down to the right. Their conclusion is the sudden associative. The currency on the left wall has become heavier, so it has become more expensive, and vice versa. And that's how you can read this situation from the graphic referred to the current pair. Okay, let's zoom out and see what is going on in our current situation. And let's zoom in, of course. You see we have this kind of intersection in MACD, and moving like average is showing out that the price will go a little bit up. So let's see what I can say. While I'm thinking, let me change my investment, of course, to $40. I think will be good enough. And let's go and check it with the put option. So guys, it was pretty risky situation because it was really chaotic, but I managed to do it because of this combination of indicators and of course of my knowledge of trading in binary options. And you see there was an intersection in MACD. Yeah. Moving average gave me some good signals also. You know what? I really want to add more indicators. I really do. Let's see. Let's see what I can have. So for example, add alligator indicator. I will color like this in purple so I can see it more clearly. And yep. Let's go and see what I can do here like this. Let's go to the, of course, third currency pair. Like which currency pairs are better to trade on? Like to answer this question, it is important to understand which financial instrument can bring a stable profit to a trader and what kind of car can a driver drive quickly and safely on a car that he knows well. Like he knows all the controls, knows all the dimensions, knows the optimal speed more for this car, etc. On a car which the driver has already driven and has practiced, so yeah. The same with currency pair, only that currency pair can bring you profit, which you know well. You know the state of economies of your countries, choose currencies are included in the currency pair, for example, yeah. And that's because, guys, before every session I go to the list of currency pairs on Quotex, so you can go like this and see and search and include really good pairs that I know, and I'm in 90% sure that I will have a good profit for them. So it is a big work for me. It is, and yep. Let's see what I can do here with the American dollar and the IDR. Yeah. So okay, let's zoom in like this and see what I can have in this situation. So you see there was an intersection in the MACD. The situation is changing on our eyes because let me change my investment box. $70 will be good enough. Let me see one more time. Yes. And let's check this out with the call option. And yeah, let's go. So guys, like I'm in the profit again because as you see after this green doji candle, I suppose that the situation will change after a few minutes. And that's because I'm here with already like $100. Guys, I'm pretty lucky and happy about this situation. So let's go to the next currency pair. Using good pairs, you also need to know like what hours of training session this currency pair is active. What is the average trading volume? Like what is the average volatility of the currency pair? The nature of the daily movement. What upcoming important news will influence the movement of this currency pair that you are using right now? Or what important price levels maybe historical exist for this currency pair. Okay, you see there is a lot of rules and points that you need to know, like you need to see and search, and so yeah, as I mentioned, it's really big work for every trader. So let's zoom out again and see what we have right over here. Pretty volatile situation. We have a lot of waves with big with highs, and yeah, there was downfall of the price right over here, but after this intersection that is on MACD, we see that the situation changed again. So let me change my investment box, of course, to $130, I think, and let's check out this situation with spreads. And let's go. So it is a refund of the price. Yeah, I will not say about it, so I think I will try again. Yes, and let's go with greens. So it was a good profit. It was pretty risky because you see it was long and because it was like refound, but I managed to do it. You see candlesticks are pretty short, and this green line of alligator showed me that it is going about all lines. And it is going up right now, and moving average is showing me that the price not really rapidly, but it's going also up. And after this intersection, the situation changed in MACD, as I mentioned before. So I think it is a really good example of how you can trade. Let's go to another currency pair with 84% of payout. Pretty good too. So guys, you can ask me when to trade the currency pair, when it is the most active, of course, when traders saw the countries whose currencies are included in the currency pair are trading. That is why it is important to choose a currency pair that will be active during the hours of your activity. So if you are already doing well with one currency pair and you are trading like steadily and have the strength and time to master a new currency pair, then you add another instrument to your arsenal. But do not overload yourself with information. Monitors, currency pairs, and systems. The trader should think calmly and make decisions quickly. And it is really important, guys, because you see we have a really big learning platform for searching, and that's that's because you need to make your own decisions, your own one, of course. And the end of the story, it is a helper for you, but it doesn't need to be the main thing when you will make final decision. It is most important. So let's zoom in our current situation. I see that it's pretty chaotic. You see that candlesticks are having long wicks. The alligator lines are going straight forward right now. The situation is changing really rapidly. You see there was two intersections on MACD, and let me change my investment box, of course. I think I will try myself with this one with all-in, almost all-in, $1 will be low for my luck. And let's check this out with greens. So guys, it was pretty risky situation, but I managed to do it. You see the line of alligator is about like two lines, purple and red one. So also you see, as I mentioned, like MACD has these two intersections on its graphic. So right now the situation is changing and we have another intersection, and I predicted this one because I saw it on the graphic. And you see the situation is not good. I'm not recommending you this kind of situation for trading, but I really want to show you how you can work with this kind of pair. So let's go to the last one. And wow, you see there is a prevalent pulse movement right now. All lines of alligator are going up. Moving average line is going up too, but right now it's changing, I think. And let's see that what we have in our current situations. What MACD is showing us. MACD is showing us a pretty messy situation with lines. You see they are going straight forward and they are pretty messy, and don't really sure if I really need to make a trade here. So I think I will wait a little bit. And okay, let's go to another currency pair, to the first one. So let's see, okay. pretty volatile. I remember the situation, and let's see what I can do here. Okay, I'm not really sure. You see, after this changing of the situation in alligator, all lines are going straight forward, maybe a little bit up, but I need more time to see what is happening on this graphic. And let's check ourselves. So, like with $450, I will go with the put option. Okay. So I'm in the profit, and you see, while the trade was going, there was an intersection in MACD graphic, and I predicted that it will be like that. That's because I'm here with $800 first of all, and you see the graph is pretty flat after 7 green candlesticks, and yeah, okay. So alligator is showing us that the price will go like this in a few minutes also. Yes. So I think it's time to go to another currency pair and see easy and profitable ways to make money. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's zoom out a little bit also. You see there will be an intersection. I think because you see these 6 candlesticks, like round candlesticks on the graph, on the MACD graphic, pretty messy situation with the lines of alligator, but you see that the green line is about the purple and the red lines. So I think I will make a trade right away here, like $860 will be good enough. And let's check the situation with greens. So guys, I'm here with my first $1,000. You saw that the green line of MACD went really rapidly up, and all 3 lines of alligator are going up to really happy about this situation. Okay, you see moving average is giving us good signals to really like fan of this situation. Let's go and check out what can I do in the next one. Okay, so guys, what I can say about our topic. Of course, you should start with the chart of a currency pair. It is desirable to study the chart of currency pair every day so that your eyes and brain memorize the dynamics of the currency. Pair movement over time, as you can experience, it will become easier for you to analyze and predict the currency pairs. It is about experience, guys. I think all traders telling you, is it all about? I think like it's all about experience, you know, long hours of working. And it is true, but you need to desire. So what I can see, I told the whole graphic, and you know what? First of all, let me change my investment, and then we will move on for $1,500, and I think it will be pretty good enough. Okay. I see here that the situation is not really certain because alligator lines are in a certain way going up and down. Okay, and after this intersection the situation is not really changing, so let me wait for a few minutes and well, let's see what we are having in the 4th currency pair. Let's see all situations, all pairs, currency pairs, because they are all pretty good and I really want to choose the best one. Okay, let's zoom in. And okay, and see what I can do here with the call option, and let's go. So guys, I'm here with almost $3,000, and yeah, I was just going with the trend, and you see that alligator lines are going straight forward. The green line is above the purple and red one, and you see also the red line in the MACD indicator is above the red line also. Now the situation is changing, but we were just in time, and that's because I'm here with this balance. So guys, if you want to trade like me, you can subscribe to this channel, of course. Watch my previous videos about trading, and also go to my Telegram channel because I share my free sign out there, and it's just for you, and they are waiting for you, as me also. So let's see you in another video. Bye.